Imagine a place where gravity is so strong, not even light can escape. Or a cosmic core so dense, a single teaspoon weighs billions of tons. We're venturing into the universe's most mind-bending environments where physics breaks down and wonders are born. Prepare to have your perception of reality shattered. Forget everything you thought you knew about extreme. Today we re-plunging into the very fabric of space and time to explore the universe's most inhospitable, yet utterly fascinating locations. From the crushing embrace of black holes to the unfathomable speeds of neutron stars, we'll decode the forces that shape these cosmic marvels. Ever wondered what lies beyond the familiar stars? What secrets are hidden in the most violent corners of the cosmos? Join us on an unprecedented journey. This isn't just astronomy, it's a deep dive into the very edge of existence. You think Earth's Mariana Trench, or its hottest deserts are extreme? You haven't seen anything yet? Welcome to the Cosmic Thresholds, environments so alien they redefine our understanding of physics and life itself. We're about to encounter crushing gravity and unimaginable temperatures. First stop, black holes, the ultimate void. That shimmering ring of light you see is an accretion disk, superheated material spiraling to its doom. But the real mystery is the event horizon, a boundary where space and time warp in bizarre ways. Current research is even exploring black hole thermodynamics, questioning if information that falls in is truly lost forever. It's a paradox that stumps the greatest minds. From the emptiness of a black hole, we pivot to the unimaginable density of a neutron star. Picture a star's core, crushed down to the size of a city after a supernova. A single teaspoon of this material would weigh billions of tons. These cosmic lighthouses spin incredibly fast, shooting out beams of radiation we see as pulsars, can even experience violent starquakes on their surfaces. But what about the spaces in between? Let's drift into the chilling emptiness of interstellar space, home to rogue planets. These are worlds untethered from any star, wandering cold, dark, and alone through the galaxy. Life here would need to survive extreme cold and constant radiation, pushing us to rethink biology itself. Our search for Earth's own extremophiles gives us clues about how life might cling to existence in such bleak conditions. Ultimately, all these extremes are born from the fundamental forces of the universe: gravity, nuclear forces, and the fabric of space-time itself. And what about the unseen puppeteers? Dark matter and dark energy are shaping the cosmos on the grandest scales, hinting at even stranger environments yet to be discovered. This quest to understand the universe's extremes reveals so much about our own place in the cosmos. Thanks for joining this journey to the edge of reality. Keep looking up, and don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic adventures.